The idea of using drone spraying really came from a background in earth architecture. We aim to deliver architectures that use natural materials, locally sourced, and to combine them with robotic fabrication, including drones. What is quite funny in the case of mud architects is when we started 2 years ago doing the drone spray installations, it was heavily criticized, mocked, and slowly now feels a lot of people say it's so obvious. It's so obvious that you're doing this, and it is really efficient, even if you're doing a small scale, because a lot of people are like, just take a ladder, and spray. It's not exactly true, because even if you need to take a ladder and carry the pump that is really heavy, and you need to replace the ladder every 1 meter that you need to do the facade, whereas the drone can do it and carry the heavy pump and do it with such dexterity and such speed, that at any scale, basically, according to us, it is more efficient. But we did really notice a shift between 2 years ago, where people were like, yeah, that's crazy. And now it's like, yeah, it's obvious, and, anyone can do it. The Brussels mural was really an important project for us, probably the most important of all, because of its simplicity and just the message that we would like to pass. For us, that was a really good context to showcase that the drone spraying could be used for facade refurbishment, including ornamentation in the very city center. The event was only set in 4 hours. The drone spraying was really to showcase that we could do a facade refurbishment in just a few hours. In any urban context, maybe in Paris, Milan, we can just lift up some nets very easily. And within the net, we are authorized anywhere in Europe, at least, to do those kind of drone spraying activities. Our aim really is to showcase to the world that we can actually do this kind of facade refurbishments with the drones without any authorization from the aviation laws. It comes from a very simple consideration about being able to spray huge surfaces or difficult to access or non-regular geometry without the need to build labor-intensive, cost-extensive scaffoldings. That in some projects, scaffoldings end up being the same price as the construction itself. So we realized that basically there was immediately available technology, but that wasn't yet combined together. The drones already can carry a lot of weight. So the one that we are using and that we have fine-tuned for the project can carry 40 kilos. So it's quite a bit, but some drones can carry much more, can carry a person 90 kilos. It is really mainstream already, drones that can carry up to 100 kilos.